and importance of clean environment. Even a children like us can be a great changer if we start to keep our environment clean.
It's all about small action leading to a big impact. And now, to celebrate our beautiful planet, we'd like to present a group song, and the title of our group song is "The Earth is Our Home." Let the music inspire us all to be kinder to nature.